The project name is Battery Management System. In this, first we will train the code. After training, we will test. In the testing code, we will make the prediction. So in training, we will use more than 3 modules like SVM module, decision tree, and KNN. So these are the modules we are using for training. This is trained code. First, we need to import required libraries. After that, here we are encoding. So it will convert word into the numbers to understand the machine learning. Here we are using decision tree classifier. So first it will create some classifier. After that, it will convert to the X train and Y train. After that, it will calculate some performance matrix based on this precision recall F1 score. After that, we will predict and will give output as accuracy. So like this, we are using a random forest classifier and Gaussian NB, KNN, the K nearest neighbor classifier. At last, we are using neural network. So for this 5 module also, first we will train that code. After the testing, we will predict that output based on this precision recall F1 score. And this is the testing code. So here first we will import OS and the required libraries. First we need to import here, and then we'll keep this in NumPy array form. So I will run the code. This is by using the Flask. We are creating web. The Flask is most popular library in Python. By using that, we are creating one website. So these are the route we using the URL. We will access that URL in HTML pages. In here, we have created a contact, home, login, register, result like that. In static, we will keep as images, CSS, JavaScript. Now I will run the code. So here we are analyzing the battery sentiment analysis. We are by using navigation, we are keeping here AI training result, battery analysis, contact, login. Now we'll check that output based on the training and the testing coding. So first we need to register here. So here it is asking some inputs like temperature, battery smell, current, voltage, SOC, the state of charge, SOH and the state of health. We'll give the input for analyzing the battery sentiment. So it is showing here that battery is in good condition. Based on that input, it will predict that output. So before we train the code by using ML, based on that, it's showing that result. We are trained by using SVM, decision tree, random forest, this KNN deep learning. So these are that accuracy, F1 score, recall, and precision. So if you have any query, we can contact by using this.